Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare vitamin C vs hyaluronic acid full comparison. Today, follow along to learn how to layer them, choose concentrations, and match products to your skin needs. I will explain chemical differences, benefits, and common side effects, and give simple routine examples for morning and evening. By the end, you'll know which ingredient to prioritize and how to combine them safely for brighter, hydrated skin. I love breaking down the benefits so you can pick what fits. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that brightens and reduces pigment, while hyaluronic acid holds moisture and plumps skin. I'll compare typical concentrations, application order, and timing, and explain how pH and formulation affect results. Expect clear takeaways for oily, dry, and sensitive skin, plus quick product shopping tips to get results without stress. Quick recommendation: if you like practical swaps, subscribe and like for more skincare comparisons and helpful tips. On another note, try these leak-proof meal prep containers bento box that make busy mornings and post-skincare snacks tidy and spill-free. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab them easily. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more concise skincare guidance. Now let's get back to the video. Here I walk through routines for morning and evening with practical steps. Start with vitamin C in the morning under sunscreen to protect from UV damage, and use hyaluronic acid on damp skin to boost hydration. For evening, hyaluronic acid pairs well with retinoids, and vitamin C can be used every other night if tolerated. I'll share mixing cautions, storage tips, and affordable product options to simplify your routine today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.